Welcome back to Center Valley Talk, where we celebrate what's good about Fresno and the whole valley for that matter. We look for cool people and cool businesses, things we need, and we're looking for people who are credible and do a good and honest and fair job. To that end, we're bringing on our next guest, Ross Rice, and you're an insurance guy.
I am.
But not for me, for plans for people with employees.
Correct. Yes, we do benefits for businesses from 1 to 100.
So it could be for me.
It could be.
I got
yes.
2 or 3 people work here, and if I wanted to offer them a health plan, you could put that together for us.
We basically are full service benefits, medical, dental, vision. We compliance. We live in a very litigious state, and a lot of new regulations come out every year.
I bet, yeah.
So we have resources for our clients to have access to at little or no cost. We also provide payroll services for our clients.
Well, you could do the payroll too. Wow.
We don't do a payroll. We have a vendor that we
Yeah.
have a contract
Nice.
with. And we also will offer our services at no cost to review what they have in place. A lot of times people don't get the help they need. They've had a broker for 10, 15, 20 years.
It's just automatic then. They just send the bills.
They send the bill and never really have anybody come in to check it out. And you know, we're blessed to have 20 to 30 different carrier options in the valley, from Bakersfield to Modesto. And a lot of times people don't realize Kaiser's a big choice. A lot of controversies going on right now between Blue Cross and community hospitals, where they're not contracted. A lot of people are unaware that if they go to a community hospital and they have Blue Cross, the hospital will not cover them.
Wow.
But their doctors will. So we've been getting phone calls from people in the community asking us about that because their broker or their agent are either not paying attention or are not as versed in that whole market.
Don't you think it's a good idea every year or so to have somebody look at it anyway?
Absolutely.
Outside your agent, even your clients, you probably say
Absolutely.
that. Have somebody else look at
We
it.
are in touch with our clients 5, 10 times a year, depending on the size, depending on where they're at. And we go all up and down the state of California. Many of the agents in around here, if you aren't 50 plus, it's not to them. It's just not big enough to waste the time. For us, we engage with our clients either through email, direct visits, and phone calls on a regular basis.
I think in California, if you have 50 employees, you have to provide health insurance, but you'll do it for even smaller companies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, when you have more than 50, you're required to offer health coverage. Under 50, you're not required to offer it. You're not required to pay for it. And there's a lot of misperceptions. The employer has to pay for it. There's a lot of voluntary benefits that employers have access to that I don't think they understand how those things work. And it's actually easier and less expensive to offer an employee a benefit for short-term disability or accident than it is to give them $1 an hour raise.
Yeah. Wow.
You can offer them $1 an hour, which is $160 a month, and you can put an accident policy in place for that person for less than $30 a month.
Wow.
And I think as an employee, I would rather have something that covers me in the event of an accident or injury than $1 an hour raise.
So who should be calling you?
Anybody that's a business owner, anybody who is self-employed, should give us a call. And like I said, we will give them an honest evaluation. If I think what they have is great, I'll tell them. And they can call us to just ask us questions. We're available to them. I've been doing this for 30 years. I've been licensed since 1990. So this is all I do. I don't do workers' comp. I don't do anything else.
Just this. Now, so if somebody already has insurance for their employees, they could call you. But if they've never had insurance,
Correct.
Is it hard to get qualified?
No, it's not hard at all. There's some payroll information that's required, but they can call us, and we have a step-by-step process that we can kind of say this is what's needed. It's just a matter of getting the right information into their hands.
That's very good. Ross Rice. I trust him. You guys call him up. If you already have insurance, call him. If you're thinking of adding insurance, some people have 2, 3, 4 employees, and they have 5, then they have 6. And they start thinking, I want to keep these employees.
Right.
That's a good way to keep them, isn't
Absolutely. And just having the ability to engage the employee on pre-taxing their premium, because a lot of times, we pay a lot in payroll taxes. We pay a lot in income tax. And if an employee can take a few dollars a week home more than what they're actually having in their check, we can help them do that.
Help them do that, right. And you can help do the payroll, too.
We can help them. We have a payroll service that we recommend that will give them a discount of 20 to 25% off of ADP, Paychex, any of the competitors out there.
Very good. Ross Rice, anything else you want our viewers to know?
No, if you have a question, please reach out to us. I will look forward to talking to you, and thank you for the opportunity to come on.
I want to go through these. I know we're over time. I'm getting the signal. But Rice insbenefits.com. Rice Insurance, Rice,
Yeah.
insbenefits.com.
We're on our website, LinkedIn, Instagram, Ross Rice or Rice Insurance Benefits.
Yeah. Now we have your office number down, 559-325-1201, but you said people can text you too.
They can text us. They can call my cell number. It's on the screen there. And they can text me day and night. I may not answer at nighttime or the weekends, but I'm very responsive during the week.
And that text and cell number is 559-593-1792.
Correct.
And that goes right to you.
It goes right
Well,
to me. It's sitting right here.
Yeah, that's convenient. All right. Thank you, Ross.
Thank you, Mike. I
And
appreciate it.
if you didn't write that down, you need to reach Ross. Call me. I'll give you his direct information. We'll be back with more Central Valley Talk right after this.